The qualifications of a spiritual teacher are stated in Ornament of the Sutras. Take as a teacher someone disciplined, peaceful, perfectly peaceful, possessed of superior qualities, diligence, and knowledge of the texts, who understands them fully, is skilled at explaining them, is full of love, and never tires of teaching. The teachers should have perfectly tamed their minds by means of the three superior trainings: the training in discipline, the training in concentration, and the training in wisdom. They should have great learning as a result of having extensively studied the three baskets, the Vinaya, Sutra-pitaka, and Abhidharma, which expound the essential points of these three trainings. They should have seen the way things truly are, and be eloquent in conveying their own experience of it to their disciples, combining scriptural authority and reasoning.